In this video, we will be learning how to review RO history. There are two ways to look at RO history. First, go to the write-up window, and in the lower left-hand corner there is a list of RO numbers. You can look at any of these ROs, so just click on whichever one you want, and it will bring up the jobs window for that RO. You can click on each job to see what was done and who worked on it. The second way to review RO history, in the RO write-up window, click on the RO history button. This will bring up the same history on that car, just in a different format. At the header of each column, you can click on this to sort the RO numbers, RO date, writer, department, etc. You can also print this history for a tech or a customer. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to review RO history.